Okay, let's dig into this then. Today we're doing a deep dive.
Yeah. Into FieldCamp AI.
The new software that's claiming to be this AI-powered command center for field services.
That's the one. Promises to replace, what, 5 different apps you might be juggling?
Exactly. And our mission here, for you listening, is to figure out, is this thing actual genius, or is it maybe just another subscription trap?
Well, the first thing that really jumps out is their pricing. It's pretty bold.
How so?
They're going with this radical transparency idea. It's just $59 per user per month, flat rate.
Okay, $59 flat.
And that supposedly includes everything. Unlimited customers, unlimited job.
Wait, everything, like the AI scheduling, route optimization, all that.
That's the claim. Payment processing, too. No feature gates, apparently.
Wow. Okay, because you compare that to the big players.
Right. Service Titan, you're looking at, what, $300 plus per user sometimes?
Easily. And even House Call Pro, it starts lower but climbs past $65 once you add the features you actually, need.
So FieldCamp's angle is basically get a premium setup for a fraction of the cost.
They even say if it saves you just one wasted truck roll a month.
It pays for itself.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a compelling argument financially.
But only if the tech actually works, right?
Right.
Which brings us to the AI. That's the potential genius part.
Exactly. And they're saying it's not just like ChatGPT bolted on, which some others have done.
Okay.
They developed their own custom AI. They call it Handy.
Handy, okay.
And it's supposedly trained specifically on like millions of field service tickets. So it gets the language, the intent.
Right, so you're not asking it philosophical questions. You're saying something like,
Schedule Johnson for next week. Find someone close to Oak Street.
and Handy is supposed to figure that out, considering proximity, skills, availability.
Instantly. That's the promise. Proximity, qualifications, maybe even parts needed, current workload.
That does sound pretty revolutionary if it works reliably. But hang on, we've heard big AI claims before. What about the tricky stuff?
Like what?
Like, okay, a tech gets to a job, realizes they need a part that wasn't expected. Can Handy, instantly rejuggle the rest of that tech stay without messing everything up?
See, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Reliability under pressure at scale.
Because on paper, the feature list looks great.
Oh, yeah. Drag and drop scheduling, GPS tracking in real time, invoicing that triggers automatically.
Mobile apps, QuickBooks integration, and that crazy claim about being running in 4 hours.
It sounds fantastic.
Yeah.
But, and this is a big but,
Here comes the red flag.
this is the potential trap part. Where's the independent proof? We looked.
And what did we find? Or not find?
Well, there's basically nothing on Trustpilot. They are on Capterra, but verified reviews, very, very limited, especially from, larger operations.
So where are all the glowing testimonials coming from?
Mostly. Well, they're living on FieldCamp's own website.
Okay, so what does that mean for you, the listener?
It means you could be taking a bit of a gamble. You risk being an early adopter, maybe even a beta tester.
Because these claims, especially the AI handling chaos mode, 20 techs, 40 jobs flying around.
They just haven't been verified by lots of independent users in the wild yet. What if that automatic invoice doesn't trigger? Or the GPS glitches?
That could be really costly. Downtime, missed appointments.
Yeah, exactly. They're clearly hungry for customers, though. They need that data, that validation.
So the decision point. If you're just drowning in disconnected apps right now.
The offer is tempting. They've got that 14-day free trial, no credit card needed.
And I saw something about a switching discount.
Yeah, 50% off for the first 3 months if you switch from something else. They really want people to kick the tires.
They're betting that once you try it, you'll stick. That the pain relief is immediate.
But the big caveat is still there. If your operation needs proven, rock-solid reliability,
Mission-critical stuff. Can't afford glitches.
then you probably need to wait. Wait for more real-world data, more verified reviews to surface. The tech might be clever, but stability, that takes time and lots of users.
Right. It's that classic early adoption dilemma, isn't it?
Totally. Jump in early, maybe you find genius, get ahead.
Or maybe you become, a cautionary tale for others.
And you just have to figure out which side of that risk your business can actually afford to be on right now.